Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be some quick cleaning motivation, nothing crazy, but I still wanted to share it with you. I hope this video motivates you or inspires you to get whatever you need to get done. We're jumping right into it. This video was filmed over 2 days. I'm tackling my kitchen, and then I'm also going to tackle not really tackle my bedroom, but I'm gonna make my bed and fold some laundry. So this is day one. I'm just gonna do like a quick sweep through of the kitchen, and then day two kicks off in my bedroom where I make my bed, do some laundry, and then I wrap up the kitchen. So I'm going to let some music play for the rest of the video. I'm definitely going to stop talking and just let you guys get cleaning. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so I know that you like it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill, dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill, dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill, dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
You keep on calling myself out to tell me you're sorry. I've heard it 1,000 times. You always tell me you change now, back from the outside to turn back the hourglass. Why can't you be honest? Changing your mind, wasting my time. Love ain't just a promise. Over your kind, losing my mind. Why can't you be honest? Changing your mind, wasting my time. Love ain't just a promise. Over your kind, losing my mind. am I supposed to be doing here? I thought that we were finished, baby. We don't have to talk, I guess that you know. Cause you are not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me, yeah. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. It's not for me. I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me how can I forget that? It's not for me. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. We don't have to talk. I guess I just know. Cause you are not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me. Yeah. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. It's not for me. I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me how can I forget that? It's not for me. I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me how can I forget that? Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. But was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere, in